Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Glances on AlmaLinux 9. First, let's start by ensuring your system is up to date. Enable the EPEL and CRB repository by using the following command. Next, install the required packages by using the following command. By default, Glances is available in the AlmaLinux 9 base repository. Now, we will install Glances using the following command. Next, we will add a firewall rule so that the web console is accessible. Once successfully installed, we can use it for real-time Linux monitoring by opening the terminal and running the following command. A cool feature in Glances is the ability to render the metrics on a web browser. Just run the Glances with the following command. You will see the following output. Now, open your web browser and access your website using the following URL. You should see the Glances default page.